First, watch this video, then I'll show you the step-by-step process to make videos like this 100% free. AI ASMR food eating videos are going viral across social media. Just look at this Instagram page. It has gained 22,000 plus followers with only 81 videos, and almost every upload gets thousands of views. So without wasting any more time, let's create an AI ASMR food eating video like this. First, open ChatGPT and paste this master prompt. You'll find the prompt link in the description below. Now press enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 food categories for you. For this tutorial, I'm choosing category 1, so simply type 1 and press enter. Next, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique video ideas from that category. You can choose whichever one you like. For this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 6, so I'll type 6 and press enter. Now, this is the most important part. ChatGPT will generate 3 scenes for your video. The first scene includes both an image prompt and a video prompt, while the second and third scenes include video prompts only. Copy the image prompt from scene 1, then go to Flow AI. Before generating the image, we'll need a character for our video. I had this character sheet generated with ChatGPT. I'll show you where to get this character sheet at the end of the video. Upload the character sheet. Once it's uploaded, click Add to Prompt, then paste the image prompt. Use these settings for image generation. Then click Generate. Once your image is ready, copy the video prompt from scene 1. Click the 3 dots on the generated image. Select Add to Prompt. Paste the video prompt. Use these video generation settings. Set the model to OmniFlash and click Generate. After the first video is generated, open it and go to the last frame. Click Save Frame. We'll use this save frame to generate the second video. Now copy the video prompt from scene 2. Add the save frame to the prompt. Paste the video prompt and click Generate. Once the second video is ready, open it, go to the last frame, and click Save Frame again. Now copy the video prompt from scene 3, add the new saved frame to the prompt, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. And that's it. All 3 videos are ready. Now download all 3 videos. And you'll find the character sheet at the bottom of the master prompt. After a little editing, here's the final result. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.